The Disability and Business Technical Assistance Centers welcome you to the Disability Law Lowdown Show 12, DibTax. Hello, and welcome to the Disability Law Lowdown ASL podcast. My name is Lori Mallory, and I am one of your hosts for the ASL podcasts. We're so glad that you found us, and we hope you enjoy the ASL series of podcasts. Today's podcast is about the Disability and Business Technical Assistance Centers. These are usually referred to as DibTax. They are a network of 10 centers around the country that provide training, materials, and technical assistance on the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, and other related disability laws. We'll talk about each of these: training, materials, and technical assistance. First, we'll talk about training. The ADA centers can provide training to all kinds of groups: businesses, advocacy groups, civic groups, nonprofit organizations, professional groups, support groups, and government agencies. These trainings might last from 1 hour to several days, depending on the topic and the depth of training desired. These are pretty traditional kinds of training. But the DibTax offer more high-tech training opportunities too. They offer webcasts that are accessed on the computer, as well as teleconferences. These cover a variety of topics related to various disability laws, and are presented by experts in the particular area of law. There are podcasts, which are offered in English, Spanish, and of course, ASL. Online courses are available to individuals who want to get more in-depth knowledge about the ADA. They cover things like the basics of the ADA and how the ADA applies to state and local governments. Welcoming people with disabilities into businesses, workplace and employment support, and federal court concepts. If you want training, you can call your ADA center at 1-800-949-4232, and that's voice or TTY. Now we will discuss the different things the ADA Center can offer related to the ADA and related disability laws. The newest edition is the Disability Law Handbook, which is a 50-page booklet that provides basic information about the ADA and related disability laws. The book is available online for download at www.southwestada.org. The centers also maintain an online searchable database. Of ADA and disability-related publications, ranging from legal documents to user-friendly fact sheets and checklists. The last thing we're going to discuss is technical assistance offered by the ADA centers. This means that you can call your ADA center with questions about the ADA and other disability laws. And an expert will be available to answer your question. The centers get thousands of calls. From people with disabilities, family members, advocates, law enforcement personnel such as police or firefighters, healthcare providers like hospitals, doctors, or nurses, employers, architects, design consultants, builders, contractors, lawyers, organizations, government entities. You get the idea. The centers get calls from everybody. Just call 1-800-949-4232, and that's voice or TTY, to ask your question and get the information you need. All calls are confidential. The ADA centers are not enforcement agencies. They don't take cases, and they cannot accept complaints. They can answer your questions and provide solid information about the ADA and other related laws. So, when you have questions about the ADA, call your DibTAC ADA Center. Want to know more? I hope you enjoyed watching this ASL video podcast. You can subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. You can subscribe for free by going through iTunes or by going to asl.disabilitylawlowdown.com. The Disability Law Lowdown is sponsored by the Disability and Business Technical Assistance Centers, or DibTAC. a network of 10 ADA centers around the country. The ADA centers provide training and technical assistance on the Americans with Disabilities Act and other disability-related laws. If you have questions or would like more information, you can call us at 1-800-949-4232, voice or TTY. The ADA centers are supported by a grant from NIDER. Host Lori Mallory. Script by Jackie Brennan, editor-videographer Beth Case, sponsored by the DibTac ADA Centers and produced by Decker Labs.